thanks for coming back. Best cooking oil, or best oil if you've got SIBO. In fact, best oil if you've got anything is always going to be, you probably know what the answer is, and it's not McDonald's oil they cook fries in, it's extra virgin olive oil. But you already knew that, okay? There are many types of olive oils, okay, but be really careful when you buy olive oil. It's incredible how many times I bought a bottle of olive oil on my travels, and when I got it home, it was actually crap. It wasn't really good olive oil at all. So just because olive oil's got a fancy label or price on it, it doesn't mean to say it's a good olive oil, okay? So once you've got a collection of olive oils like me, you'll soon realize what's good, what's bad, and what's ugly, all right? So watch out for blended olive oils or light olive oils. It's got light on it, L-I-T-E or stuff. Don't even touch that kind of stuff. It's blended. With experience, you're able to smell and taste the oil and know very quickly whether it's a good oil or a crappy oil. Now this oil is one of the best you can have for SIBO. It's fantastic. It has a nice effect on the liver. It's a detoxifying effect on various parts of the GI tract. There are lots of different types of acids in this oil that have a very good effect on balancing bacteria. So yeah, now this is a nice product to have in your diet. It's got a high smoking point, so you can saute with it and bake it and grill it and do all kinds of stuff with it. The second one, probably coconut, would be coconut oil. It's so high in medium chain triglycerides, like 60%, but coconut oil also contains a lot of lauric acid in it and various acids that are antifungal. There's many people with SIBO also potentially could have SIFO, or small intestinal fungal overgrowth. So a bit of coconut oil in your diet is a very good thing to do, okay? So if you like coconut oil, you can have it in your diet. If you don't, stick with the olive oil. But combinations, you know, sometimes cooking with one or the other is another thing to do too. Personally, I'm a big fan of ghee, which is clarified milk butter. I baked some beautiful potatoes yesterday in the oven in ghee. They were fantastic. Tiny bit of salt, sea salt, and ghee on the potatoes. They were superb. So ghee contains the butyric acid, of course, which is fantastic for the colon, for the large intestine. I've received many nice comments on some of the YouTube videos I did on recommending ghee or clarified butter into a person's diet. Several people have told me how much that they noticed the bowel improved when they put ghee finally into their diet. So there you have it, olive oil for SIBO, fantastic. A little bit of coconut here or there maybe, because it'll also help, you know, people with no gallbladder, but it gives you a bit of energy. It bypasses the normal fat metabolism. The liver can pick up those MCTs. So I love coconut. I think it's a great thing in the diet. Yeah, so try those different approaches, but olive oil will always remain top of the tree. Do some Google searches on olive oil and make sure that the olive oil you buy is a proper olive oil, and also there'll be foundations and there'll be associations that olive oil growers belong to. So make sure you buy an oil from a reputable company and not from some crappy junky sort of site, or just some Amazon cheap, you know, $5 olive oil, because you're probably buying just junk. Thanks for tuning in.